Imagine standing at the edge of the ocean, toes sinking into the wet sand, feeling the gentle pull of the water, a force guided by something far above us, watching the waves roll in and out in a steady rhythm. It might seem like a simple dance between the water and the shore. But have you ever wondered what invisible force is pulling the ocean back and forth? The answer lies far above us, in the sky, the moon, silently orchestrating this endless motion. The moon's gravity has a powerful effect on Earth, even though it is about 384,000 kilometers away. Gravity is the force that pulls objects toward one another, and just like Earth's gravity keeps us grounded, the moon's gravity tugs at the Earth. Since water moves and flows more easily than solid ground, the moon's pull creates a noticeable effect on the oceans, leading to what we call tides. When the moon is directly above a particular part of the Earth, its gravity pulls the water towards it, causing a bulge or a high tide. What's even more intriguing is that there's also a high tide on the opposite side of the Earth. This happens because the moon's gravity pulls the Earth slightly away from the water on the far side, creating another bulge. So there are always two high tides happening at the same time on opposite sides of the planet. As the Earth rotates, different areas move into these bulges of water, experiencing high tides. Each day, most coastal areas go through two high tides and two low tides. The timing of these tides shifts slightly each day because the moon is also moving in its orbit around Earth, taking about 24 hours and 50 minutes to complete one full cycle. This means high tide doesn't happen at the same time every day. But the moon isn't working alone. The sun also plays a role in the tides. Even though it's much farther away, the sun's gravity still affects the oceans. When the sun and moon line up, either during a full moon or a new moon, their combined gravitational pull makes the high tides even higher and the low tides even lower. These are called spring tides, though they have nothing to do with the season. The name comes from an old word meaning to rise. Conversely, when the sun and moon form a right angle relative to the Earth, their gravitational forces partly cancel each other out, resulting in neap tides, which are weaker and have less extreme highs and lows. The moon's effect on tides doesn't just influence the ocean. It also shapes life along the coasts. Many marine animals, like crabs and certain fish, have adapted their behaviors to the rhythm of the tides. Some species even use the tides to help them migrate or reproduce, timing their activities with the predictable rise and fall of the sea. Over time, the moon's gravitational pull is slowly affecting Earth in other ways too, subtly reshaping the rhythm of our planet. As the moon drifts away and Earth's rotation slows, future generations may experience slightly longer days and shifts in tidal patterns, a reminder of the ongoing cosmic dance between Earth and its closest neighbor. It's actually causing the Earth's rotation to gradually slow down, adding milliseconds to our days. At the same time, the moon is drifting away from us at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. While this change is too slow to notice in a human lifetime, it will subtly affect the timing of tides and the length of our days far into the future. So the next time you stand by the ocean and feel the water rush over your feet, remember that you're witnessing the silent, steady pull of the moon, a cosmic connection that bridges the sky and the sea, keeping our planet's tides in motion.
Got a question about how something really works? Drop it in the comments and we might cover your topic in our next video.